1300-meter race is on the way. Sergio Boy moving up by the rail. Sa totoo lang, Overwhelmed comes next as they race towards the 900 meters pole. We have Sa totoo lang leading the field, moving up in between runners Tarzan, Maximus, then Sergio Boy shuffle back in third. Sovereign Ladies racing in fourth, running by the rail. Overwhelmed Ria Pogi, then followed by Top Spin. May Bukas pa running third last, second last Super Chong, and a long way back to key level as they rounded the 600. Two runners are firing out for the lead. Sa totoo lang running by the rail, Tarzan, Maximus is already outside. Sovereign Lady getting closer is Real Pogi. Sergio Boy already outside. May Bukas pa overwhelmed by the rail and Top Spin. And down the stretch they come. Sa totoo lang is still leading the field. Tarzan, Maximus, Sovereign Ladies by the rail. Sergio Boy, May Bukas pa. Sa totoo lang, a long shot. Sergio Boy moving up on the outside. Sa totoo lang, Sergio Boy, and finally, sa totoo lang, Sergio Boy, Tarzan, Maximus, May Bukas pa. Sovereign Lady, Top Spin.
Okay.